Into my, oh crap. Alright, well, apparently that other video just stopped and I started a new one. So, my plants have been keeping me alive this summer, I have no doubt. And, I just ate a baby squash because I like to just pull them right off the, well, cut them off the plant. Anyhow, so I come over here to the raspberries and look at this. There is a grasshopper affixed to some portion of the raspberry cone that has already been eaten, I believe. And I pulled a raspberry off that one right beside him, and he didn't move. Looks like there's a ripe raspberry behind him, but he is not on that one. I'm moving this stalk. I've touched this grasshopper. I don't know if it's dead or if it's got that, you know, thing where they turn into zombies and go up high so that birds will eat them. Once Upon a Timeline, I think, was the one that covered the crickets that get the... Now I'm nervous about what's going on, but man, I gotta eat these things. Eating live food is really helpful.